Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing the ADDMAX Universal Extension Cord with USB mobile charger. Now on the front side of the packaging, we can see what the device looks like. We've got multiple plug points and even USB charger in the center as stated in the name. It is rated for 10 amperes at 220 volts. So this is applicable very much to the Indian scenario where our voltage range is between 220 to 240 volts. Then 10 amperes means you can connect a lot more heavy duty power consuming devices. It also states that it is suitable for all types of plugs around you. On the right hand side, you've got a couple of features being mentioned. First being that the cable happens to be flame retardant. So it can go up to 750 degrees without burning and 120 degrees without distortion. The sockets are durable and they are rated to handle up to 5,000 mating cycles without any loosening. The copper cable happens to be oxygen-free copper. This makes it ideal for high conductivity and also reduces the heat generated. It's also using a light green material, which is reliable, safe, and convenient. On the other side, we can see they've mentioned that it's suitable for TV, DVD, fax, EPBAX, audio systems, electric kettles, heaters up to 1.5 kilowatts, and it's also suitable for electrical instruments and appliances. Aside from that, you've got some key features being mentioned, namely that the plugs don't block each other. So that means there's plenty of spacing. There's a heavy push button to power the device on and switch it off. It is shockproof and made using fire retardant materials. And obviously the two USB ports that we've already seen. On the back side, you can see that the metal prongs inside the sockets are made using brass. You've got the on and off switch somewhere over here underneath the sticker. You've got an LED indicator right beside it. And the fast charging points, that is USB plugs, are rated for 5 volts and up to 2.4 amperes. And you've got multiple color options as mentioned on the bottom. That's it for the packaging. Let's go ahead and unbox it. On the inside, you've got a little note from the CEO of the company. It's basically a note of thanks. Then you've got the product. They're using very thick, high gauge material. So on the plug, you can see that they mentioned it is rated for 6 amperes at 250 volts. It's made in India. You've got the load, neutral, and earthing lines. The cable does not mention what kind of wire gauge is being used inside. Cable length is about 1.8 meters or a little longer than that. Then we can take a look at the device itself. We've got some of the specifications at the bottom, which is more or less what we've seen on the packaging itself. And this is the heavy duty button to power the device on and switch it off. Then there's the LED indicator. You've got the two USB sockets and plug points with earthing in all 4 corners. Then you've got 2-pin sockets in both sides. Branding over here. And that's about it for the unboxing of the ADDMAX Universal Extension Cord with USB mobile charger. Thank you for watching.